If you have an AirData Enterprise subscription, then you're able to connect your AirData account to Dronedesk, and that will enable you to sync your logs with a button click from AirData into Dronedesk. So the way to do that is firstly request your API key from AirData. So if you go to the API page, you'll see information about the API, and then under the authentication section, you'll see that you need to contact them to request your API key. Once you've received that, come back into Dronedesk, head to the top right menu, settings, integrations, and then AirData, and then paste your AirData API key in this field. Click agree to the Dronedesk system storing your credentials, and then click test access to confirm the connection has worked. And there we are. We have confirmation. So that will now enable a button in the flight log upload import section to sync with AirData.